Welcome to Analytics with Nags. This is another video in the Catch Up with Nags series where I'm going to talk about a digital event that is Azure Hybrid and Multicloud. About this event is like people are moving towards Azure and they use some kind of hybrid culture, right? Some data in the on-premise, some data in the cloud, or they use different cloud providers, right? AWS, Azure, combination of different things, right? So this is all about that, and in this event you will learn how organizations are utilizing the Azure technologies or cloud technologies especially, and you will get some more knowledge in it. Let's try to talk about this event in this video. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. First thing first, so when this event is happening, and before that it is a free digital event, anybody can attend who has interest. So when it is scheduled on June 29th 2021, and it is Pacific time UTC 7. It is only 2 hours or more than that, maybe. I'm pretty much not sure, but what are the things you will get in this event is like, you will get the latest announcement about Azure Arc enabled data services. Even I'm not sure about what is that. I'm eagerly waiting for that to know. And you can hear customers discuss how they are using Azure to achieve their goals. So this is very interesting part to me, where you are learning certain things and you do not have much exposure in that, right? People are learning the things. If your organization having some kind of Azure technologies implemented, you start learning. Those who are getting into this technology, they're learning, but they don't know how the real world or other organizations are using it. So this is the chance for you to learn how other organizations, they are topmost customers. It can be a Dell companies, or it can be a VPs, vice presidents of organizations. They come and discuss how Azure helped them to achieve their goals, right? So this is very important part you will learn in these sessions. And demos of Azure hybrid solutions being used in customer environments. They will show the real demo, right? They will open up some environments, how people are using it. Learn how to get most out of hybrid investments with insights from Azure leaders, product experts, and partners. So these are the members or speakers of this event. Let us try to, I will share this link, how to register this event in the description. You can go and register it. Now let us try to see this event, Azure Hybrid and Multi-Cloud Digital Event. I just use these contents, that is how I presented, instead of wasting your time and reading it from here. I do not want to repeat it again. So you can see they are the industry leaders. They are president of Microsoft, vice president of solutions in Microsoft, and you can see they are senior vice president of Dell Technologies and vice president of program management in Azure Core OS and Edge infrastructure, right? So most of the people are from Microsoft, and some of them are from other organizations, how they have used, right, the Azure technologies. They are going to demonstrate it. That is what the main purpose of this event. Please utilize it. So it's not only about learning, you need to see the applications, right? You need to learn that one. That will give you more knowledge about any technologies. I hope you like this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. Do remember that data is your asset.